as many as you want. Put that olive oil inside your onions. Mix it all together. And if y'all hear my kids in the background, it is what it is. Miced garlic, just 1 spoonful. Now we're getting ready to make the chicken. You put olive oil, then as much butter as you want. I go light on it for health reasons. My chicken wasn't thawed all the way. I thawed it 2 days in a row and it was still a little bit frozen. One cup of heavy cream. So we're gonna mix it. Soon we're gonna go back to the chicken. I put my chicken in for 15 minutes at 400. Took it out. Put a pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. I didn't use all of it. I threw some of it out. Then the key to this is turn it around, mix it in the juice. Flip it again, mix it in the juice so that both sides are evenly seasoned. So this is how the chicken looked, right? I put it back in there for an additional 10 minutes. Then once I took it out, I put foil on it, put it back in there for additional 15 minutes. Then I take most of all this sauce, I would say, out of the pan. Put my chicken on a light coat of sauce. Then I put my mozzarella cheese on the top. Then I put the rest of the sauce on top. And don't forget that juice. That's where all the flavor comes from. More mozzarella cheese. I can do a tutorial on cooking chicken. If y'all aren't that far yet in y'all's journey, just let me know. I might even do it without y'all's request. Grated Parmesan. Back in the oven it goes. Put some foil on it. Alright, so I saw y'all bashing someone that breaks their noodles. I've been doing that, always will do that, and no opinions will change the way I cook my noodles. If anything, I like it this way because they help with how my babies eat their food. So it's a little update. Put more Parmesan cheese, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit out so that everything can settle all together. It already got like that sauce texture. It's not too much of a juice. Then the juice turns more into like a sauce, and that's definitely what you want on your pasta. I'm a spicy kind of girl, so I need that spice in my life. And I'm excited to finally eat because these cravings are going crazy. Thank you for watching with the Clean Kitchen.